Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add camera blur effect on Premiere Pro. So for that, we just need to open Premiere Pro. After opening it, we just need to drag the video clip which you want to add the effect. And then here you can see the original video clip which I want to add the effect. And for adding the effect, you just need to go to effects. If you don't have an effects over here, then here on the top here is an option. You can see your window, click on that. And then here is an option, you can see here effects, click on that. Otherwise you can click shift plus 7 and the effects will open. After opening the effects, here you can see a search bar over here. Click on that and search for camera blur. And then here you can see the effect camera blur, drag that effect to video clip. And then you play your video. You can see that you had been added camera blur effect to video clip on Premiere Pro. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.